Then you want to select the second song title. So the second song will be called 2 Times. That's my last release. And it's the same as before. Do we need a featured artist, etc. But what is going to be different here, let's upload the audio. What's going to be different here is you'll have an ISRC code. Now this is really important to make sure that your songs are connected. So the amount of streams that you previously had for the song are brought into this song. The best way to do that is to open up another instance of DistroKid. So let's just do that now. And let's have a look at my last release. And you can see here, it's got the ISRC. So we can just copy that and paste it into there. We've already got the songwriter name and we've selected the audio. So we just keep going down. And that's pretty much it. Now, remember I showed you a featured artist. So you do need to find a Spotify URL, Apple artist URL, right? Or you can say, no, this guy doesn't exist anywhere. You want to make sure that the songs that you upload again are exactly the same songs. For example, use Driftwood and you're bringing in the ISRC code. The song is different. It will reject it and think of it as a separate song. Then your whole release is screwed. The way to be 100% sure is you can go into the previous release and then just download the song from the vault. Super easy, super cool. So you can download the songs that you know have already been released. Now, you must also, if you want to upload to Apple, you need to add credits. I've never understood this, but it's just needed. You need to add credits for a performer and one for a producer. So I will just do something like click on audio and just put my name, and same with producer. I'll call it a executive producer. And then I do the same thing. Copy this performer to all tracks on the album. And the same here, copy to all tracks on the album. So that's just done relatively fast. Don't know why you need to add all this stuff, but you do.